I'm Sarah, I'm a Divi designer and developer, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the image height equal to the text module within a column. So I'm just going to give you a quick example of this now. One of the website templates that I currently sell, and I just want to show you here the text module spans to the whole size of the image, so they are completely equal, and it is also responsive. So if you scroll it down, you'll see that it will always span to the same height, and then when you get through to tablet, you'll see that it's set to a certain height, a minimum height, and the same for mobile. So I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up within your Divi WordPress website. I've just created a new page, so I've created a section here. This automatically gets created when you open up a new page, and then I am going to create a 2-column structure, 2 rows. The first column I'm going to put my text, and in the second column I am going to put an image that is going to be equal height. So within this module here, I'm not placing an image. I'm actually just going to put in a divider. So add a new module and select divider. Then turn this off. So where it says show divider, say no. Come out of this. And from here, what we are going to do is go into the row structure. Go to the second column. And within this section, we're going to add the background image. So select background, click on background image, open up your media gallery, and then just pick an image that you want to use. So now I want you to go back into the row settings and go over to the design tab. So you're not in that column, you're just in the row settings, design. Go to sizing. And here is when we want to switch on equalize column heights. So now by doing this, the amount of text that you have is going to span to the size of the image, so it's going to be equal. So I'm just going to duplicate this a couple of times. So another thing that you may want to do is just add some padding at the top and the bottom of this first column. So let's go into the row structure, go over to the gear icon, go to design, go to spacing, and then I'm just going to add some padding, so 30 pixels top and bottom. So now that's looking great. Right, so the only thing now is when you go over to view it in tablet and mobile, it's not show up as this tiny little line. So within this divider, this is where we are going to set the height for tablet and mobile. So go over to the design tab. I'm going to go to sizing, scroll down to min height, hover over, just make sure that you're selected on tablet. And this is where you can set your minimum height for tablet. And then we can do the same for mobile. So I usually do about 550 for tablet, and then usually around 300 pixels for mobile. When I exit the visual builder, you can now see that the image and the text are equal height within the column. You can add additional text, and this will always stay equal height. If you have any questions at all, just make sure to pop them in the comments.